If you are looking to speed up your videos on CapCut, then you are in the right video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the speed in just a few clicks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application, and now you can import your media from the import button. I'm going to use a stock video for this example. Just drag your video onto your timeline, and now in order to speed up this video, make sure that it is clicked and selected. You will now see the speed option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can change the speed of your video. Once the speed tab is selected, you will also find a white indicator at the top section of your clip in the timeline. You can click and hold to manually drag and change your speed. You may also use the speed value option to increase or decrease your speed, and you can manually type the value that you want as well. This will then apply the change to your video right away. Now, if you wish to change the speed multiple times within your video, then you can do this by two different methods. You can do this manually by making various different cuts at the points from which you would like to speed up your video. So I just made a cut at this point from which I would like to speed up this video until the 5-second mark. So make another cut at the point where you would like to end your speed ramp. Now, once this small clip is selected, you can increase your speed by once again using the slider or by entering the value manually. Now, when you check out the preview, you will find that your manual speed ramp is working. You can also use the curve option in order to use various different speed curves. To make your own, click on the custom button, and now you will gain access to the speed curve. You can use the vertical bar to navigate towards various sections of your video, and the points that you find across the video can be used to define your speed ramp. If you move it upward, the speed will increase for the defined duration, and you can also change the speed ramp point by clicking and dragging to your desired point in the video. Just try watching the preview to see how the speed ramp works, and you may adjust it accordingly. You can also change the duration of the speed ramp by dragging the endpoint closer or farther away. When you drag it closer, the speed ramp duration will decrease, as you can see in the preview right here. If you drag it far away, the speed ramp duration will increase, and it will last for a longer section of the video. You can also add points by clicking on the plus button at any point where you would like to change your speed ramp value. And by following this method, you can do speed ramps within your video on multiple points. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to speed up your videos on the CapCut application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.